In this clever recipe, mac and cheese meets the classic Sunday dinner side, and they get along like a house on fire. Start off by soaking 200 grams of fresh pasta in boiling water. Break a small cauliflower into florets and roast with some fresh sage leaves at 180 fan 200C or gas mark 6 for around 15 minutes. While that's happening, put 300 grams of fat-free cottage cheese in a food processor. Add 50 ml of vegetable stock and 30 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Season and blitz till you have a smooth sauce. Then add 3 egg yolks. Add the outer cauliflower leaves to the roast veg and pop back in the oven. After 5 minutes, add the cooked pasta to the roast collie along with 100 ml of veg stock and put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Stir through 100 grams of baby spinach till it wilts. Return it to the oven for a couple of minutes if needed. Then pour over the cheesy sauce and mix well. Sprinkle 30 grams of grated Parmesan on top and brown in the oven for a few minutes. Serve straight away with loads of salad.